Come here. Come here. Today is the day you're gonna learn how to make Asian patty, Asian patty from scratch. So I'm gonna show you how you can make it at home. Easy and quick and delicious. You can make it. So to start, I'm gonna use 4 cups of flour and some dry spice like parsley and add 1 cup of butter. Mix everything. For this recipe, you have to use your hand. I like using my hand when I'm cooking. So use your hand, please. Make sure your hands are clean. Okay? Now we're gonna start by mixing everything, the butter and the flour. Just mix everything with my hand, and then after we're gonna add the cold water. For this recipe, I use 4 cups of flour. I'm gonna use 1.5 cup of cold water. Make sure the water is cold so your dough can be just flaky, so make sure it's cold. Yes, I'm almost done with the patty Kode and I'm gonna fry them soon. My dough is done now. I'm just gonna add a little bit of butter on it and then put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge while I'm gonna get the filling ready to fry my patties. So it's a very quick and easy recipe. You know me, I always make quick and easy recipe for you guys. So if you don't know how to make the Asian patty, now you know. It's very simple to make. This is my earring. I'm using some hot sauce, lemon juice, mustard, dry seasoning. You can use any seasoning you like. And then now I'm adding my tomatoes and green pepper. And then after I'm gonna add my onion. The filling that I'm gonna use, I'm just gonna use, yeah, I said that before. I'm just gonna use the egg, hot dog, and then the earring. You can use chicken, you can use ground beef, any meat you like, you can use it. If you want, you just can use vegetable, you use vegetable. Anything you like, you can do the filling with it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. So just tell me, when do you like to eat your patty Kode? Is it in the morning, afternoon, or at night? So right now I'm just gonna get my patty Kode ready because I already know how many patties that I want. So that's why I use 4 cups of flour. I just need 16 patties, so I'm just gonna make 16 patties. That's why I do that. But if you want them smaller, you can make them smaller anyhow. So just do your patty Kode. It's very tasty. I love making patty Kode. I love cooking. So make sure you give me a thumbs up for this video. So keep on watching the video.